right, guys, I need more opinions. I need more help. My rear wheel bearing hasn't arrived quite yet, but it should arrive today. And I'm going all over the place on what the noise could be. It might not even be a wheel bearing. I gotta take you for one more drive. All right. The noise is very easy to hear. I found the way to perfect the noise. Guys, we're going for a noise run. The back's closed. You should have a lot of echo back here behind you for the wheel bearings. Center drive shaft bearing is way up here somewhere. Let's see what we can do. I'm worried sick because I don't think, or I haven't 100% found the issue yet. So I'm nervous as hell. And you know, there's 80% chance this won't even fix it doing one rear wheel. It's right. I'm about to think about windows up, windows down. We'll try different ways. Let's go. This is the first time I have the seats down. I may hear something different too. Held to hear, I hope. Here. Hear it? Did you hear that? We're going around. We'll just go around once. Little power. Listen again. Stops. See that? I hope you can hear that, guys. My biggest fear is that it's the center and not the rear wheel bearing. That's got to be easy as hell to hear, right? Drive shaft bearing. I mean, it could be because the test I did in the last video, it was idle. I only hear the noise as it's decelerating, so I wasn't producing the noise during my tests, but I'm not going to sit there and accelerate and do shit like that. No backup, no partners, you know, anything super crazy like that. So other times it tricks me and I think it's the middle. Oh, you can hear that. I almost heard her right rear over there. Man. The funny thing is too, let's just finish up. I talk to Mike's Bikes a lot. Probably nowadays my number one fan slash buddy. And forgot what I was saying, so I will cut this out in a minute. And on my GTI, it was the right rear. I remember the I just looked at the video. Cars facing in, and I'm on this side, right rear. My buddy Mike's Bikes also said that he had a right side. Now, many times I've thought it might be left, but I think, I don't know, honestly. I might, hold on. I'm parking in the middle because I'm doing a wheel bearing tonight, dude. I'll be filming it. So after this video, I'm back to the right side. I go back and forth, but I'm gonna publish this as quick as I can here. Try and get some opinions in before I get too deep into this. All right, guys, thanks.